people want to try to avoid the big bear. Do I really have to go to probate, and what that really means? Explain what the probate process is.
Here, probate is the process of moving your assets after you've passed away over to the heirs that you've designated, either through your will, or if you don't have a will, the state has certain statutory kind of paths that you are going to have the inheritance go. It's usually to your first relatives, then down the line like that. But with your will, you get to kind of tell who you want to go to. When that happens, though, it does have to go to court. The judge supervises everything that's happening, whether it's going to be allowed or whether there's creditors that make claims, things like that. And you know, the downside of being in court, you know this too, is public. You know, people can go down and pull the documents and look at it, or a lot of this stuff's available online. So that's the downside of probate. We always try to give the option is the trusts allow you to operate outside of probate.
Right.
And there's a lot of different reasons people want to do it. One of them, just going backwards on what I just went over, is it's not public. Anything you have in there stays private between the parties that are involved. If somebody's not doing what you want, though, you wonder, well, how do I enforce this?
Well, then you go to court.
That's where the court comes in.
Right.
They only come in for that one specific point, and that's dealt with. Whereas the probate through the will, administering the will through probate, is all public, and it does have timelines, too. It can take a long time and potentially cost a lot of money.
Well, the minimum for an estate over, what is it, $25,000 or whatever it is for a standard estate in Florida is 180 days. Alabama, the minimum estate time is 180 days. And rarely do you get that 180-day mark, usually because of filings and objections and things that are going on. It could take a much longer period of time.